So here I am, just driving on home, and then something was on the road in the freeway, and it hit me. Had no choice. In full speed, I was going 65, obviously, but it came off and hit me, and now I'm getting a tow from AAA. Fucking sucks. Okay, guys. So yes, I hit something. The front shin just came out, ripped apart from the bumper, so I'm hoping that I can just use existing ones if it's not too much damage. It looks like the bumper is good, minus this one tab here, so we will see. I'm gonna lift the car up a little bit, and it looks like that splash guard is broken, so I'm probably gonna have to replace that. And yes, just from looking at it, this tab did come off, so sucks. We'll give you guys a little update in just a bit, okay? Okay, so I took out all the tabs pretty much. The good news is that looks like the bumper doesn't have to be replaced because the pieces that broke were from either the splash guard or from the chin spoiler. So bumper would have cost me about $800 from Ford. Didn't want to spend that much money, so I'm glad to hear that I can, use these parts here. So. Last thing I'm gonna do is take away these little side pieces that broke off, and we'll be good to go. And obviously order a splash guard, but I got the one from American Muscle that I had before. I loved it, so I want to get the same one. It did cost me $290 or $300, pretty much. Sucks that I have to pay for it. A special vest, Presley. So. What is Daddy doing?
That's in his car.
And am I doing a good job so far?
Yeah.
Cool. What are you doing?
I'm going to do my homework.
Okay. So when I'm done, I'm gonna help you. Okay. All right. Say see you guys.
Yeah, guys. I have TV.
Okay. So. Took out everything that I need to, guys. I can just drive it too, because I couldn't even drive it with this thing dangling. So has that happened to you guys where you're just driving fine? It was nighttime obviously, but I'm going on the freeway, I turned to the middle lane, and then right when I turned to the damn middle lane, there was something like right there, and I had no choice but to just hit it. So I went over it. I feel like it was like blankets to me, but obviously the impact wasn't that bad, so I just took out the front chin, which obviously the chin's low, the car's low, so it's bound to happen. So obviously it's cheaper to just do this route than go through insurance, I feel like. So nothing's damaged. The good thing is nothing is damaged, like no suspension is damaged or anything like that I know of, so I gotta drive the car a little bit more to test it out. So that's why I did this, so I can do so. But I'm not a mechanically inclined guy anyways, so I want to keep showing you guys more too. I do have a full-time job, so sorry for the delays, but just hang on tight. There's gonna be some good stuff coming out. Obviously the Mach-E GT, I wanted to go against this, but this apparently happened out of nowhere, so gotta fix this. So I gotta fix this fast so I can show you guys, what these two are all about, and see what's the fastest route for GT owners. So obviously V8 combustion engine versus just electric, so all-wheel drive as well. So stay tuned. I'm just gonna clean up, and I'm gonna show you more about my car once I get it done, and we'll go from Take you on the ride too. I can test it out, see what's there, if everything's okay, if I hear anything. So, but for now, let's do a little cold start. Well, not too cold, but you know what I mean. Okay, so far so good. Feels like it's still a pretty smooth ride. Just kind of taking it easy just to see how it drives. I want to push it when something is wrong with it. Well, this car, guys, it's a 2018 Mustang GT Coyote. It's a GT Premium, so love this car. When I first came out, I was like, you know what, this is the car I want. I haven't got a new Mustang in a long time, and the previous one was a 2005 GT. So I was like, oh man, this is the one. And I kind of had my phase and went to BMW for a little bit, but you know, after knowing that what these motors can do NA, it was just amazing, and almost 500 horsepower was just like, wow, you know. So I wanted the GT Premium because obviously the digital gauge, man, it's like a video game, right? So so far it's driving good. I don't hear any noises. I'm gonna open it up a little bit over here just to see if there's anything I can see. But so far so good. Busy street. Not really, but yeah, the reason why we got the Mach E GT, like I said, we were looking to get my wife a car. She was next, and why not get a GT electric, right? So win-win for us. All right, here's I'm gonna step on it a little bit, see how it is. Feels smooth. Turn the wheel a little bit. Alignment's still good. This car, I just recently modified the motor a little bit. I mean, basic stuff. I just did a JLT cold air intake tune as well from American Muscle, and so far so good on that. I got my X pipe from American Muscle as well as our performance. I think it's like a 3-inch. But other than that, guys, that's all I've done. Oh yeah, it's our E85 as well. So I'm running E85 intake and tune. So, and exhaust. Well, just the X pipe. And I think that's so far I want to just do that. I don't want to like push it too much yet. Maybe later down the road supercharge it. But again, guys, little review. My car runs okay. I'm glad that it's nothing major, just a little chin spoiler repair and splash guard, and that's it. So I'm going to be posting another video. Stay tuned for the completion of this work. Also, I just ordered an engine bay sway bar or engine bar, whatever you call that. to just to so I can get a little bit more handling. I'm gonna get that painted as well. I'll show you when I park right now. I'm gonna show you how my engine bay looks right now, and then we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thank you.